What is a tzaddik? No, I want to be mechazik here. What's a tzaddik? The cheeks, the backen? Cheeks? The cheeks from the tzaddik? What's a tzaddik? The fingers from the tzaddik? The hair from the tzaddik? What's the tzaddik? The mind, the cycle. What is the cycle? What is a tzaddik? I'm going to a tzaddik. What? To look at, I've added this Yiddish mind, to look how a tzaddik looks, but what I need a tzaddik? The shmeichel from the tzaddik. What I need a tzaddik? I need a tzaddik for the biram from the tzaddik, the teachings, the wisdom from the tzaddik. There's a person come to Reb Nussen after the Rebbe's petira. He says, Reb Nussen, I have the Rebbe's Kaapel. So Reb Nussen says, I have the mind from the Rebbe. Halt with the Kaapel. Stay with the Kaapel, and you stay with this. The Chassidim. I have the Bakisha from the Rebbe, and I have the shoes from the Rebbe, and I have the mind from the Rebbe, and I have the middas from the Rebbe, and I have how the Rebbe would answer for this situation. What would my Rebbe do when this what happened? So where's my Rosh? I wanna be mechazik you. Now there's person that's maybe I'm do good, maybe I'm not do good. If a person wants to raise a family, ehrliche Kinder, what? Das ist eine größere Sache von dem. Das ist eine größere Sache von dem. No. The Samach Mem, very, very smart to chaparan a person, no? To break a person. When the Samach Mem sees ehrliche Yidden, they don't want to do sins. No movies, no magazines, no, nothing. I'm a Yiddish man. How they, Samach Mem catch them and broke them. They bring svaikas, all these svaikas, doubts, I do good, I do not good. And this drives crazy, this old Ehrlich Yidden goes around with svaikas, I do good, I do enough, I don't get, this is, and the Ehrlich Yid thinks that this is coming from the Tav. So he goes more in the svaikas, and this pushed him down. This doubt kills him. Amul like a begematria sufik, svaikas. Is the exazach. You know this. When a person don't know if he's doing good, if not, this kills